All right, hey guys, Justin here, taking the drone out for its first flight. Now at this point, I haven't done too much. Just charged up the batteries and got the phone connected. Hopefully you can see it on my GoPro here. Anyway, this is going to be the very first flight for the Skydio 2. We'll begin our flight here and see what happens. So we're going to... Like I said, so far I've just paired my phone to it. Right now all I'm using is basically the starter kit. So it's the Skydio 2, one battery, and my phone. So I've watched the Skydio has like a flight school. It's just a series of about 10 videos, quick videos on YouTube. That's all I know at this point. So I guess you can see myself on its front-facing camera. There's my feet. So, here we go. All right, now I'm in the welcome mode. It's basically flying itself. So we'll go through this tutorial. So this is the camera, I guess. And tilt it down. See myself, looking at myself. And go back up. All right, that sounds pretty good. It wants me to keep going here. Okay. I see. Horizontally. Now it's rotating. There it goes. I don't know where it's going. Okay, I can make it ascend. Pretty cool. Let's see how this works. Have it go this way, and have it go back that way. Have it go up here. Can have it come back. Okay. Now I can have it rotate. Now I can point it at myself to follow me. See how that works. See, I gotta rotate. There I am. Whoa, too far. See if it can find me. Let's come down a little. And then we'll have it come back. Let's see, I'll go over here. We'll see if it can lock onto me. Maybe, oh, now it knows who I am because I'm moving. Okay. Tutorial complete. It's now following me. Whoa. Pretty cool. Now selected, all right, let's walk around a little and see what happens. I'll just go this way towards the lavender field. What if I go a little faster and try to run away from it? Okay, still got me. Let's see. It's in following mode. Just following me around. So it's got some other skills. What's this? Okay. So I can have it do an orbit. Let's see how this goes. It's keeping track of me. Hopefully not running into any trees. There it goes. Okay. Let's try. Let's try hover mode. Is motion track. Now I can tell it which side of it I want me to be on. I think. So now if I'm going back, I change, then it will go get a different perspective. See, let's have it go up a little bit as we're doing this. Let's say range. That brings it closer, I think. Okay, how else can it follow me? Let's see. Oh, we can do this way. We can do the droning, where it's going to go up and away. Bye. See you later. Pretty cool. See how far away it goes. Oh, it lost me. Let's see if it can reacquire me. Droning complete, switching to motion track. Let's see, maybe I gotta get in front of it. Or turn, have it find me. Okay. Now I can click on myself. Now it's going to follow me again. Alright, let's have it follow me from behind. I think it'll work. There we go. It's going to loop around behind me. Let's see if it can follow me through these trees without crashing. Let's have it get a little further away. Oh, there's Sharon. Let's see, going through this cluster of trees, we'll see how well it does at obstacle avoidance. Let's have it go off to this side. See how it navigates around these trees. See if it's going to be able to find me. Dodged that tree. Well, didn't run into the other one, so that's good. So it seems to be detecting these trees I'm walking among. We'll keep going this way. Alright, we'll see if it can navigate its way through these two trees. Whoa! I don't know if you saw that. It almost ran into a tree, but then found it. See what happens if I go this way. Okay, so have it go in front of me now. All right, now it's in front of me. Hopefully not going to crash into that big tree behind it. See how that goes? See how this range works. Further away, let's say. I hold this down, then it goes a little further. Cool. All right. Let's have it loop behind me. This has a bit of a delay. All right, now we're back to where we started. Let's try our first landing. I see our battery's down to 38%. It has this feature where it will land on the case. So let's try it. Let's turn that off. And then we can navigate over to this one. If I get it close to the case, and then if I have it look down, it should find the case in front of me. Whoa, too far. Yeah, let's do this. Let's have it look. Rotate. So I have the same perspective. And then looking back. Okay, now we're over it. We'll see if I can find it and land. Oh, it found the case. It's tracking towards it. Nailed it. Wow. That's impressive. For however long that was, if I were flying, I probably would have crashed 3 or 4 times. So, first flight, Skydio 2, I would say very impressed with following and navigating itself. Super cool.